it's Betsy, and today we have another subscription box unboxing. My Magic Candle Company June 2020 box came in, so I'm super excited to do this. And we'll go ahead and get started. Now, I did use scissors to cut this open, and these boxes I think are $24.99 a month. I did 3 months at a time, so I think it was like 60 bucks for 3 months. So it comes in a little box that looks like this, and it looks like a little suitcase. It is so absolutely adorable. And as it says, it's the Magic Candle Company, and they are scents inspired by your favorite vacation destination. So let's go ahead and open her up. I did, as I said, cut the tape. But when you open it up, it looks like this. We'll go ahead and remove the bubble wrap. So we got, oh, Japan. So we got the Japan Car Freshie. We also got the Japan Wax Melts. Let's see if it smells like Japan. Oh, it does. So if you're not familiar with it, what this is for the Japan Pavilion, or the Japanese Pavilion out at Epcot. So, absolutely amazing. We love going to the Japanese Pavilion. Caden and my 3 kids are all really into anime, Pokemon, that type of thing. Cameron orders his Beyblades because the ones in America aren't as good as the Japanese ones. Oh, so it smells delicious. And then last but not least, so it is packaged better this time, the room spray. The last time I got it, remember that was my one complaint, is that it wasn't packaged well. But that's what it looks like. It came in bubble wrap this time. Oh, it smells so good. So I will leave them linked in the description if you're interested in checking them out. They are a small-based business, I think. But it's really neat. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. We post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But I guess that's it, so we shall see y'all on Monday. Bye.